Then what we have done, we have taken some flows that we have developed manually using the UI, which already have the number of hours that we have consumed for building those. And we try to mimic exactly the same flows using Claude allied with the CLI, right? And the results were like incredibly amazing. So what we could see is that this ROI is exponentially, so which means that the more complex the development could be, the higher is going to be the results that we get. And then the numbers is something around if it's a simple and not complex flow in a low complexity kind of manner. So the savings are around 20%, which means that, for example, if we are building a flow in a low complexity, we are not expending a lot of hours. And then the time that we expend in cloud to build the same flow is saving 20% of our time. So if we are building a medium complexity flow, so we can see that this number increases from 20% up to 40%, sometimes even 50%, depending on the case, right? But if we go into a really complex flow, we could see that we are saving 80% of the time. So there was some flows that we were manually building and we were spending like 20 hours. And then doing this through cloud, it was like 3, 4 hours only. And it was amazing because what we can see is that all the heavy lift of building those flows, like creating scripts and lookups and all these kind of things, that takes a lot of time if we're doing on the AI. Cloud is doing really quickly, and the results are really great as well, right? So of course that is not only about a matter of developing, right? So we have a lot of other initiatives here that we want to use cloud and CLI to automate as well. For example, testing,